What is phishing and how this attack works? Phishing is a method of trying to gather personal information using deceptive email and website. Every day increasingly sophisticated form cyber attack. Phishing is tricking the target into believing they need the email sent and clicking a link or downloading an attachment. Fish is pronounced just like it's slapped, which to say like the word. Fish, the analogy is of an angler throwing the bait hooked out there and hoping you bite. Phishing presents itself as a type of the trusted entity, of the appearing as a natural person or a company that the target can do business with. Usually similar mails are sent. Your account has been hacked. Password reset. Today we learned what is the phishing. If you want a video like this you can donate, comment or share the video. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.